BeFriend-A-Child program is a program that recruits mentors to mentor children from the ages of 5 to 12 who've been abused or neglected, or they're at risk for being abused or neglected. And the mentors have to be in the program for at least a year, and they have to spend at least 8 hours a month with the child. The goal of the BeFriend-A-Child program is to provide the child with experiences that they've never had before. Also, the mentors are to just be a big friend to the child, to be there when they're having problems in school or maybe they're having some issues at home. They are always there to support the child.
My mentor, Scott, he has been a good role model and basically a father to me. So he's been really nice.
Well, being a mentor is such a really important role in a kid's life, to really help him grow and thrive, to kind of gain self-confidence and self-awareness. I think it's really important to have that interaction with adults, especially if there's a role that you can play that maybe isn't as strong in his life.
Well, we had one child that went through the program who was having some trouble in school. They had behavioral issues. They were suspended at least twice from the school. So the mentor got involved, and they were going to the school at least once a week with the child. They were helping them with their homework. So we found out that the child was being disruptive in class because they didn't understand the work. So with the mentor there, they provided support, and now the child's grades are really good, doing well. They're on AB honor roll, and actually the child has been in school for those 2 years, and he has not been suspended, and he actually got the Good Citizen Award last year.
I've had many memorable moments. One that stands out is when I was reading with her, teaching her how to read, and the excitement she felt when she was able to read an entire book for the first time.
As far as our program, we do provide life skills for them, so we have programs for them once a month, and we've been to the White House. We took a tour of the White House. We've also been to George Mason University, where we taught the kids about college, and they toured college, and we taught them how to get in college. And we also went to a place called Cookology, where the kids learn how to cook, and they learn how to make baked fried chicken and also Gatorade from scratch. So our main goal is to teach the child life skills and to expose them to activities that they've never been exposed to before.
Well, I think one of the big things he's gotten is to gain self-confidence, to know kind of what it means to be an adult in the world, and to really get a sense that the world is a great place to be, that the best in his life is yet to come.
My goal as a mentor is just to be that added support system for her and for her family as well.
BeFriend-A-Child is a wonderful program. We have a number of success stories. We have fun, the children have fun, and even though the children, the mentors are only supposed to be the mentor for 1 year, we have mentors who've been in the program for 4 years plus. And it's a program that's been in Fairfax County for over 35 years.